वजनमाप खात्यान बिरेस्तारा सेरावलीच्या साळसेट गॅस एजन्सीच्या गुदामाचेर धाड घातली. कमी वजनाचे गॅस सिलिंडर मेळत आशिल्ल्याचो कागाळी लोकांनी केल्ल्यो. या कागाळीची दखल घेवन खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी ही कारवाय केली. या कारवायेन 10 घरगुती सिलिंडर उण्या वजनाचे, 3 चड वजनाचे आणि 54 वेपारी सिलिंडर उण्या वजनाचे जप्त केले.
Based on the viral video which has become viral on the Facebook and on the newsprint media, and based on the direction of Assistant Controller Seraulim Package Commodities, we visited to the warehouse Godown of Salset Gas Agency, and we inspected around 200 cylinders, commercial as well as domestic. After checking out the weight, we found 13 domestic cylinder and 5 commercial cylinder which were short and which were excess also. Out of 13 domestic cylinder, 10 were short and 3 were excess. Among 3, one was giving 3 kilo extra. And in commercial, we have found 5 cylinder, out of which 1 is excess, that is 3 kilo, and 4 are short.
So what will be the future next course of action?
For course of action is we have taken 18 gas cylinder in our custody, and we will be seeking reply from the company, and whatever this is the action will be taken as per the legal Metrology Act and rules in force.